God is not with me, I have nowhere to stand, and I'm waiting for the wind of His presence to sweep through my life. He is everywhere, but I need Him here, breathing on me, blowing through the places that feel dry. I need a shift only Jesus can release, a holy wind that carries fire and direction. I stepped out of His will trying to do right, and the years held me like air with no breath. 20 years of stillness with no wind to